kotestai komongei alak en membaekab kot neking'oten ng'atutik ako nerekyi kakwautiet nekoimuch koibe sekta anan ministry notok nebo legut anan treasury nebo koisto chepkondok en budget nebo 2024 ak 2025 choton cheito bilion 4.9 che en atkan kora kitobonjin tetutiet notok nekiboen kipsomaninik anan school feeding program kosubkei ak membayatab kot neking'oten ng'atutik nebo Westlands noton ko Tim Wanyonyi koimuch konerekyi kakwautiet noton nekamwa kole angot keisto noton kowendi konyalile lagok chotok che en atkan kora kotiengei tetutiet noton nebo serikali nebo school feeding program konyorunen amitwogik chebo betut age tugul akot kou noton chitab kolenjin ko angot keisto tetutiet noton bo kebai kipsomaninik anan en budget noton nebo 2024-2025 kowendi kokere kole anan kotinye kipsomaninik cheito milion 4.5 che en emet komugul chetam konyorunen kelchin amitwogik chekikoito en sugulishek cheterter en emoni.
You know, that man who is removing that program from the budget, he doesn't know he's actually destroying a generation of our children in some parts of this country. Some of those places, children go to school because of the food they'll have, and maybe that's the only meal they have. So as members of parliament, we are going to make sure that feeding program remains on that budget. In fact, if they remove it, we can now even throw out the whole budget. And the government will be in a crisis because without the budget, they will not function.